Welcome to Casablanca, Morocco. Let's find out some interesting facts about this city.
So, Casablanca is the third largest city in Africa, behind Lagos and Cairo. Because of its position on the Atlantic coast, lots of young Moroccans go there to make their fortune. It's home to the largest port in Africa, which can hold up to 40 ships at a time. It's also home to the largest mosque. It was founded 1200 years ago by the Berbers.
Just arrived in Casablanca. What are your first impressions?
Can I say this one? It looks like a shithole. Like the mosque over there looks amazing.
Yeah.
But look at all the, like it looks like shithole in front of it.
Don't mince your words, do you? In Casablanca.
Kenzie
Basma. And we read awful reviews. We were thinking it's going to be.
To the point where we were regretting booking it.
But actually, it's all right. You've seen the views. The sun's actually coming out. It's a big room. Right, we're going to go out and explore, starting with a cathedral, which might not be a cathedral, or even a church.
Well, it used to be, but it's not anymore.
Yeah, let's go. Well, we seem to have found an entrance to the church. That is really white, but there's no way in. What are they playing at? Let us in. No luck. Right, the cathedral's there, and now we're going to walk to Mohammed V Square. I think it's the main square in Casablanca, also known as Pigeon Square, because apparently there's millions of them there. Right, we're almost at the square, but look at this. Surely a major landmark, I don't know what it is. But yeah, Mohammed V Square, named after a former king of Morocco. The current one's Mohammed VI. And interestingly, Morocco is one of only 3 monarchies in Africa, the other 2 being Lesotho and Eswatini back down in South Africa. Cross then, cross, it's safe. Look at this at the edge of the square. We love Casablanca. And the sun is nice now. So maybe our earlier disparaging of this city was unfounded. It is quite nice around here. I just think our hotel is in a pretty dismal location. So this is United Nations Square, not the prettiest of squares, named because when the French came, they said hello with cannons and bombarded the place. And then the general decided to build this clock tower because it was taller than the local minarets. That's what he did as a welcome to Morocco from France. But just past that is the old Medina. Do you fancy going to look at the old Medina?
Yeah.
Right, let's do it. So as we were walking around there, this guy came up to us and said, "Hello, welcome to Morocco." Seemed friendly, didn't he?
Yeah.
And then he said, "I work at your hotel." Already, I know this is going to be a scam. And then he went, "There's a Berber festival down there." Really?
You just start laughing and you're like, "No, there isn't."
I went, "No, there isn't, mate." And he went,
I work
"Okay."
at your hotel. No, you don't.
And he walked away. Just watch out for that. Right, here we are in the old Medina. What were they? Little turnips? What do you think of this one compared to Marrakech?
I prefer Marrakech.
Yeah. So we've left the Medina and passing this, well, it looks like the old city walls. Cafe.
See, we're so used to people being so rude and telling us we cannot do things, and now when we actually can do something, we're like, what? And then they're shocked that we're like, what?
Hello.
Loaded.
Aimed towards Europe. Rick's Cafe. Made famous, of course, by film Casablanca, when Humphrey Bogart goes in and orders a drink from Rick. Obviously not the real one, but modelled on it and built in 2006. We missed it by 25 minutes. Damn it.
Is that close for the day?
Damn it.
Is that close for the day?
No, it opens again at 6:30. So we've just come to the marina shopping, where you can get lots of these things. This looks posh.
Yeah, it does look posh, doesn't it?
Bypassing McDonald's for the terrace. Were you admiring the shipping cranes? Thought you were. Let's walk across the bridge and find the biggest mosque in Africa.
I'm looking forward to seeing this mosque.
That is massive. I knew it was going to be big, but not that big. So it's the Hassan II Mosque, built in 1993, and here are some statistics about this. It's the largest mosque in Africa. It's the 7th largest mosque in the world. Its minaret is the 7th tallest in the world, and inside it can hold 25,000 worshippers, and outside 80,000 more. It is huge. People there looking at the Atlantic Ocean, and then these kids play football. Morocco came 3rd in the recent World Cup, so these are practicing. That is special.
I think it's my favourite mosque that I've ever seen.
Why?
I just like the design. I really like the design of it and the colour of it and the scale of it.
So we found ourselves in a produce market.
They look like ground potatoes back
Are these
there.
potatoes? No, they're not potatoes, are they? They're turnips.
We cannot go up for any further if you think that's potatoes.
This one, how much? 20 dirham.
One. Well,
Nice.
happy. I like these wee streets here.
Yeah. Stealing my bread. I knew it. So some guy was just going, hey. I ignored him. But he came right up to me and handed me a coin. Must have dropped it. So, instead of scamming me, yeah, he gave me something. And so the walk continues, passing all the socks and the used hats and the jewellery shops. So that's it. That market done. And now we're into the main road. Here we are, back at the hotel, the Kenzie Basma. So what was your favourite part of Casablanca?
The mosque.
The mosque.
And that wee local market souk thing that we just walked through.
Yeah.
Because we weren't hassled at all, and it was just...
And what about, do you know when we were upstairs in the balcony and you said, oh my god, look at this. I won't repeat the word that you said, but that word,
Yeah.
do you still agree?
The view from the hotel makes it look like that. But when you actually go out and have a wee walk around, there are some pretty things. But it's it's just like two extremes in Casablanca. You either see things that are really, really beautiful, or you see things that are like just pure grit. There's no in between.